Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to be making what is called a tavern sandwich, or some people call them loose meat sandwiches. Of course, when I cook them, I jack it up, I kick it up, we spice it up some. So I'll give you what the basic tavern sandwich is. It's just basically ground beef, onion, salt, pepper. That's it, and that's what the basic tavern sandwich is. But like I said, you all know me, I cook for the taste, so I kick it up. So get you over here, get you cooking, and we'll show you what I do to make a tavern sandwich. Alright y'all, start this out, get your frying pan, get some heat under it. And myself, I start out with a little bit of lard, and I use lean ground beef, so but I like cooking with lard. It's good for you. Trust me, I wouldn't steer you wrong. So all right, get the lard in there, get that melting down, and then what we're going to add next is the get that melting down, and then we're going to add our ground beef. This is 85/15, and we also have about a whole chopped onion, yellow onion. So I'm going to dump all that in there, get that all cooking, get this broke down here some. You want to brown this stuff up here. Now, my seasoning, I like a little bit of black pepper, of course. This is coarse ground black pepper. That's what I like. Got that. I throw some garlic powder in mine. A little bit of a lot. And then we're using Himalayan pink salt today. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. So get that browning. I'm going to cover it up, and we'll bring y'all back when we get this all browned up and cooked down. Alright y'all, got this browned up pretty decent here. Now the key to this recipe, or cooking method, or whatever you want to call it, is make sure that meat is broke up into really fine small pieces. You don't want no big chunks on your sandwich. That's why they call it a loose meat sandwich, not a burger. So keep chopping that up, turn it over, keep on chopping. When you think you had it chopped enough, do it some more. At least that's how I was showed how to do it. Now, a cool thing about this meal, I guess, or recipe, is you can cook this ahead of time, put it in a crock pot, take it to tailgating or a party or something like that. It's always a big hit, especially like tailgating parties and stuff like that, picnics. It's really a big hit. At least that's what I've always encountered. So, alright, I'm going to keep chopping, and we'll bring y'all back when we add even more ingredients. Alright y'all, I got that mostly all chopped up there now. Now, we're going to add even more ingredients. Next thing we're going to add is beef broth. This is about 2 cups. And a lot of people will tell you to drain that grease off there. Myself, I don't, because 1, it adds flavor. 2, I don't want to. But hey, if you want to drain it off, drain it off. But anyways, now I'm going to add mushrooms to mine, because as always, I like mushrooms. So get them in there. Get them all mixed up. That beef broth mixed up in there. Now, I don't know if any of y'all are purists and had these before and gonna tell me that I'm doing it wrong and you don't add mushrooms to it. Cooking is about what you like, the flavors you like, and how you want to cook it. You can follow a recipe to the T, but if you've had it before and you decide that, hey, mushrooms would make this taste even better. A little beef broth would make this taste even better. Add it. Make it your recipe. You don't have to follow somebody else. So, anyways, next ingredient, I put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce in mine. You don't have to, but I do. So, there's that. And we're going to bring this back to a simmer again. Woo! A little bit of liquid going out of there. Now you want to cook this down. Let it simmer until most all that liquid's gone. So I'm going to leave the lid off. We're going to get it cooking back up there. And we'll bring it back when it's cooked down. Alright, y'all. Got this simmering down. Got a little bit of liquid boiled off there, or simmered off. But I just had to turn the camera back on. I wish you all were here in the kitchen with me smelling this. Oh, this is heaven. This is awesome. And this is what draws the people in. When you go to the party or whatever, or tailgating, and they smell this. Oh, this is awesome. So, all right, I just had to bring y'all back and let you here. Y'all have a smell too. How's that? Can you smell it? Oh, it's heaven. So, bring y'all back in a little bit. All right, y'all. Got this cooked down. There's just very little liquid left in the bottom of there. So, this is ready to eat. So, let me grab a bun here, and we will serve one up. Now, traditionally, they wouldn't have cheese on them, but again, it's my meal, so get some of that liquid out of there, and they'd be served. They'd be served on a butter bun, buttered, like melted butter bun. I put provolone cheese on mine because that's what I like on mine. So there's that, and then also on mine, I like a few dill pickles. You can put on yours what you want. A few dill pickles, and then just a splash of yellow mayonnaise or yellow mustard. Just a little bit of yellow mustard on there. So there you have it. Don't that look good? So, alright, I'm going to get the camera turned around here. We're going to take a bite of this and show y'all how really good it is. Alright, y'all. See if I can take a bite of this here. Now, these things do get a little messy. That's the good part about it. Some onions and mushrooms in there. That provolone cheese. A little kick of the mustard and dill pickle. That's some good stuff right there. Very, very good. Alright. Enough for me eating. There you have it. Tavern Sandwich. AKA loose meat sandwich. Hope you all enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed cooking it for you. I really hope y'all would, gonna try this. Super easy. Like I said, you can put this into a crock pot and take it to a tailgate party or anything you want to do. Or you want to cook it up, you can freeze it. You can put it in the refrigerator for a few days. throw it in a crock pot, warm it back up. The whole family can just dish out what they want. If they want it on a plate, put it on a plate. I've even eaten it over French fries. It's good stuff. So, alright, there you have it, guys. Please, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Get all the notifications, everything I do in the cooking here in the kitchen, out in the garage, fixing stuff, working on stuff, building stuff. Don't forget about the weekly Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, on my channel, of course. We talk about a little bit of everything. We talk about cooking, tractor pulling, fixing things, you know, just a really good old time there on Sunday evening, kind of wrap down the weekend. So, alright, I'm going to end it here. Like I said, thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. And don't forget, bon appetit.